Click on the link below to get price. The Canon imagePROGRAF Pro 1100 is a remarkable 17-inch professional wireless inkjet photo printer designed for photographers and artists who demand the highest quality in their prints. Upon unboxing this printer, the first thing that strikes you is its robust build quality and sleek design, which is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. One of the standout features of the Pro 1100 is its impressive color accuracy, thanks to the LUCIA PRO ink system. With a 12-color ink set, including a wide-colored gamut that encompasses deep blacks and vibrant hues, the printer excels in producing stunning, high-resolution prints. Photographers will appreciate the detail rendered in both shadow and highlight areas, making it ideal for fine art reproduction and gallery-quality prints. The wireless connectivity options are equally commendable. The printer supports various protocols, including Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and USB, allowing flexibility in how you connect your devices. The Canon Print app simplifies mobile printing, making it easy to print directly from your smartphone or tablet. In terms of usability, the Pro 1100 features a user-friendly interface with a large color touchscreen, making navigation intuitive. The printer also supports various media types, including glossy, matte, and fine art papers, offering versatility for different print projects. The automatic media loading feature is a time saver, ensuring that your prints are produced with minimal hassle. However, it's worth mentioning that while the initial investment may be on the higher side, the quality and durability of prints justify the price. The ink cartridges, though somewhat expensive, yield a significant number of prints, reducing the overall cost per print in the long run. In conclusion, the Canon imagePROGRAF Pro 1100 is a top-tier choice for professionals looking to elevate their printing capabilities. Its combination of exceptional print quality, user-friendly features, and versatile connectivity makes it a worthy investment for any serious photographer or artist seeking to showcase their work with precision and brilliance.